Guys, today in this video we are going to study a new topic. The name of the topic is BODMAS. Guys, BODMAS is nothing. Basically, it is a acronym which is being followed while solving the mathematical problems. Guys, in this video, we will see how to use BODMAS while solving the mathematical problems. Guys, for your better understanding, I have taken some examples in this video where I will use the concept of BODMAS. Now, we start our topic BODMAS. Guys, now we will take one mathematical problem. See this one, first one, 30 minus 20 plus, start with left round bracket, 45 division 9 plus 7, then close the round bracket. Okay guys, when you will see such mathematical problem, then first thing strike in your mind which operator I use first. I use first subtraction, this one, addition, this one, or division, first one. Okay guys, then other thing also come in your mind, which bracket I solve it. Okay, now here is only one bracket is given in this question, which one is a round bracket. Okay, so this one is a round brackets. Okay guys, now to overcome such situation, one acronym came into picture, which is BODMAS. Okay guys, so guys, first of all I will explain here what does mean acronym. Okay, then we will solve this problem. Okay guys, you know this thing that B stands for here bracket. Okay, brackets. Okay, O stands for here of order, or it may be of powers or roots. Okay guys, or you can say etc, etc. Now here D stands for division. Here M stands for multiplication. Here A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Okay guys, you notice here I have not used here what subtraction, I have used word here subtraction. So correct way is subtraction. Okay guys, now see this BODMAS word is being formed by taking a initial letter of all these words. Here see first letter of bracket is B, and first letter of order is O, and first letter of division first letter is D, and in guys multiplication first letter is M, and in addition first letter is A, and in subtraction first letter is S. So guys, what you see here, the BODMAS is a word which is formed by taking a initial letter of a group of words. Okay guys, so now definition of acronym is a word which is formed by taking first letter of group of words. Okay guys, now I think the acronym word clear to you guys. Okay, now guys, next thing is here, see, a brackets are mainly three types in mathematics. Okay, so first one is a round brackets, or guys parenthesis brackets, or it is represented by this symbol. Okay, and see, second one is a curly brackets or braces. Okay, so this one is represented by this symbol guys. Okay, see, now guys, third one is here a square or box brackets, or in maths it is represented by this symbol. Okay guys, so guys, what we conclude here about brackets, we when see in mathematical problems, then first we solve the round bracket first, then we solve the curly bracket, and then we solve the square bracket. Guys, other word of B is left here. B also stands for bar. In mathematics it is represented by this line. See, suppose I have written here a numeric 3. Now when I put a line over 3, then you read it as a 3 bar. Okay guys, now finally we conclude here, when we have to solve any such mathematical problem, then we use the acronym BODMAS, in which we have to move from extreme left to extreme right. Okay, in this order, which one will come first, we will solve that operation or brackets. Okay guys, so here B also stands for bar. So first of all, in any mathematical expression we use bar first, then we will solve the bracket second one, then in third we go for of order, it may be powers or roots, and then we will solve the division, then we solve the multiplication, and then we solve the addition, and then we solve the subtraction. Okay guys, now guys, so this is all about the acronym BODMAS. Okay, before going to solve this mathematical problem, just I will give you a brief description about a multiplication and division of integers, which is being also used while solving the mathematical problem. Okay guys, so now we see here what does mean by a multiplication of integers. Okay guys, multiplication of integers, what does mean by here multiplication of integers? First of all, you know what is a integer. Okay, so guys, integer is a natural number or whole number which may be positive or negative numbers. Okay guys, so first of all, you know natural number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and so on are known as a natural numbers. Okay, so this one is natural numbers. Okay guys, when you take positive sign before this one and 2 and 3 and so on, so these are known as a positive integers, and when you take a negative sign before this natural number, so this is known as negative integers. Guys, here 0 is not coming, so 0 is not an integer. Okay guys, now so this is all about a definition of integer. So what does mean here multiplication of integers? See here, suppose we have two numbers. Okay, or there are so many conditions. Okay guys, so here first number, or you can say integer, may be positive one. Suppose this one is a +2 and second one is also positive 1 +3. Now when you take the product of these two integers, then solution is +6, or you can write it as a 6. Why? Because when there is no sign written before any number, then it means it is a positive number. Okay guys, see, when first number is negative, or you can say first integer is negative and second number is also negative, then answer is also +6, and you can write it as this one. And when take the product of two numbers like this, first one is positive and second one is negative, then answer is negative -6. Okay, because if you not put a negative sign, then it is read as a positive sign. So in case of negative number, you have to put minus sign before the number. Okay guys, now see another case. If first number is negative and second number is positive, then answer is also negative number guys. Okay, so guys, what we conclude here, when there are even numbers of negative numbers present in a product of numbers, then answer must be a with positive sign. Okay, when there is odd number of negative sign numbers exist and you are going to take a product of these numbers, then solution of this product must be with a negative sign. Why? Because see, in this case here two negative numbers are present, so 2 is a even number, so answer is coming with a positive number. In this case, see here is one odd number, so 1 is also a odd number, so final answer has a negative sign. See, for another question, suppose +2, okay, and then -3, then -4, then -5. Okay, now there are more than two numbers and we are taking the product of all these numbers, then solution must contain negative sign. Why? Because see here numbers -3, -4 and -5 has a negative sign, or these are three numbers. Okay, so 3 is a odd number, so here negative sign appear. And now solve this one. Okay, 2 into 3, then 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5, 120. Okay guys, or you can also simplify this one like this one. If you solve this 2 first, okay, so this one is with negative sign. When you will take the product of these two, then this one will come with a positive sign, +20. Now see the product of these two numbers, one has a negative sign, one has a positive sign, so answer is -120. So guys, this is about a multiplication of integer. And now see division of integers. Okay, suppose first number is with a positive sign and second number is also with a positive sign. So answer is also with a positive sign, plus 2 here, because 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 2. Okay, so answer is 2. Second case guys, if first number is with negative sign divided by minus 2, then answer must be with a positive sign, plus 2, or you can write it as a 2. So you can cut it, negative negative, 2 1 are 2 and 2 2 are 2. So answer is 2. In that case, suppose first number is positive, second number is negative. So answer must be with a negative sign, or it is 2. So 1 or this one will be 2. Okay. You can also see this plus sign can be written as like this one, minus 1 into minus 1, then multiply with 4, or in denominator you can write it as a this also. So this one cut this one, okay, or this 2 is also cut by 2. Okay, so what you see here, only here left minus 1 into 2, or when you solve this one, this is minus 2. So guys, next one is, if first one is with a negative sign, second one is positive sign, so answer is also with a negative sign. Okay guys, you can write this as a like this. Okay, so 1 2, or you can write is a minus 1 into 2, then answer is minus 2. Okay guys, so guys, this is all about multiplication and division of integers. Now we solve our problem, this one. Okay, see how we are going to use the concept of BODMAS while solving this question. Okay guys, see in this mathematical expression bracket is coming. Okay, so here is a one round bracket is given. Okay, so what we will do, we will solve the bracket first. Okay, so you can write it as a 30 minus 20 plus. Okay, now here are two operators, division and addition. Okay, so in BODMAS, when you move from left to right, then division will come first, then addition will come. So we will solve the first division. So 45 divided by 9 equal to 5, and then we make a addition sign, plus 7. Okay guys, now so this one is 30 minus 20, then addition sign, left round bracket, we can write it as a 12. Okay, now next we will remove this bracket. Okay, so you can write it as a minus 20 plus 12. Okay, next which operator you will use? We will use addition first here. Okay, why? Because when you move left to right, addition is come first, then subtraction is coming. Okay, so 30 plus 12, 42, then negative sign with 20. So when you solve this one, the final answer is 22. Okay guys, now guys, take another example, second one. Okay, second one here, suppose question is this one, 7 divided by 8 multiply by 4 by 5, then addition 6 by 5 divided by 4 by 3. Okay guys, now you have to solve this one. Okay, so again we use the concept of BODMAS. Here there are 3 operators: multiplication, addition and division. Okay guys, so which will come first here in this BODMAS when you are moving from left to right? D. So D stands for division. So we first operate division. Okay, so again we write here 7 by 8 multiply by 4 by 5, then make addition sign, then 6 by 5, or this one can be replaced by multiplication sign, or this one becomes 3 by 4. Okay, how I write it? See, if you write it as a 6 by 5, then you can also write this by 4 by 3. Okay guys, when this number go up, then this becomes a multiplication. Okay, now we see this one. Okay, so here two operators are present. One is multiplication and second one is also addition. So in BODMAS, M is come first from moving left to right. So we solve this one. Okay, so guys, you know 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now in this case 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. Okay, so you can rewrite it as 7 by 2 multiplication 1 by 5, then addition sign 3 by 5 multiplication 3 by 2. Okay, or when you solve this one, then you can write 7 into 1, 2 into 5, then make addition 3 into 3 of 5 into 2. So this becomes 7 by 10 plus 9 by 10. Okay guys, now guys, this is a example of a now addition of like fraction, because in denominator both the numbers are same, means 10 is here also, 10 is also here. So you can write it as a 7 plus 9 divided by 10. Okay, for more clarity you can see my earlier uploaded YouTube video about a fraction. The link of that video is given in a description box. Okay guys, so this one is 16 by 10, then this is 5, then this is 8. Okay, so 8 by 5. Why? Because 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So answer is 8 by 5 guys. Okay, so guys, see another example, third one. Third example, suppose 8 multiply by 3, then subtraction left square bracket 64 divided by this curly bracket 38 minus 24 divided by 6 minus 2, and then one bar is given over this number, then this round bracket is closed here. Now this one curly bracket is also closed here. Now this square bracket is closed also here. So guys, one thing also remember, you can read in your higher classes. Okay, when you use any bracket, then it must be closed. Okay, or you can apply this rule when you will write any computational programming. Okay, See, next one. So we use here the concept of board mass. How? See, so in this case here, if you see this board mass, so one word you learn bar. Okay, so B also stand for bar, or it is also in first position. So you solve this one first. So you can rewrite it as a 8 multiplication 3 negative sign, left square bracket 64 division, this left curly bracket 38 negative sign 24 division 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Okay, and we remove the bar, then again this curly bracket closed and this square bracket also closed. Okay, so you guys also remember, when you write any mathematical problem or expression, the bracket must come into pair in your question. Okay, now see, next, then in this mathematical expression or problem, you can say which operation I will do. So again, see, in board mass, B also stands for bracket, or in this bracket, which one we solve first? The round one. Okay, so we can write 8 multiplication 3 with negative sign 64 division, then this left curly bracket 38 with negative sign. Now when you divide 24 by 4, then answer is 6. So guys, we can write it as a like this. Okay, or you can write it as this. Next, we again solve this curly one. Okay, because in this bracket concept, second one is a curly one, because first we have already solved the round one. Okay, so you guys can write it as like this one. Okay, or when you remove this round bracket, then you can also write this one also. Now see, 8 into 3 negative sign. Now make a solution of curly bracket first, then this becomes 38 minus 6 equal to 32. Okay, now we remove this curly bracket, so you can write it as a 64 divided by 32. Okay, now close the square bracket. Okay, now even one bracket is also available in this expression, so we will remove this first. Okay, so if you divide 64 by 32, then 64 divided by this one. So first you can divide with a smaller number 2, and 2 16 ja 32, this one will be 232 ja 64. So again 16 1 ja 1, 16 2 ja 2, then final answer is 2. So we can write it as a 2. Now next we remove this square bracket, then this is becomes 2. Now there are two operators, one is a multiplication and other is with a minus sign. Okay, so guys, you can think I subtract 3 minus 2, or I multiply 8 into 3. So again we use this acronym board mass. Here see, when you are moving from left to right, M is coming first. Okay, M means multiplication, so we multiply first. So 8 into 3 equal to 24, then with negative sign, then answer is 22. Okay guys, so guys, this one is a third example. C. Fourth example, C. Fourth example, 8 multiplication by 3, then plus sign, square root 18 minus 16 divided by 8, okay, then plus 7. Okay guys, now you have to solve this one. Okay, so again we use the concept of BODMAS. Okay, so in BODMAS, first letter is B. B stands for bracket, so we solve the bracket first. So we can write it as a 8 multiplication 3, again square root, then 18 minus, this one becomes 2, this one becomes 7. Okay, now remove this one. Okay, so we can rewrite it as a 18 minus 2 plus 7. Okay, in this case there are three things. One is multiplication, other one is a square root, and other one is a negative one. Okay, so which one we solve first? Okay, so guys, see, in BODMAS you have already read O also stands for of order, or it may be a powers or root. Okay, so we solve this first here. Okay, so you can write it as a 8 into 3 plus, then we write a square root, you solve this one, 16, then plus 7. Okay, so we again rewrite it as a square root of 16 equal to 4, or you can write it as a 7. This one is a square root of 16, this is 4. It means what will be the number when you make the power of this 2? Okay, then 16 will come. So if you write it as a 2, then this one will be 16. In higher classes you can also read it as a this one. Okay, or you can write it as a this one. Now this one will cut down, then this becomes 4 to power of 1, then solution is 4. Okay guys, now see, now which operator we again use first? Here multiplication and then addition. Okay, so guys, in BODMAS, when you moving from left to right, M is coming first. Okay, so you can write 24 plus 4 plus 7, then answer is here 35. Okay guys, now take another example. Question number 5. Suppose one square bracket, left one, then curly one, 3, 8 plus 2 to power of 3 minus sign 25, then this round bracket is closed, then again this curly bracket closed, then division minus 3, and then this square bracket close and multiply by 5. So guys, again which operator you use first here? Okay, so first of all we solve the round one. Okay, why? Because B is coming first. Okay, so you can rewrite it as a 3, then 8. Okay, in this also which one you use, which one you solve first? So here in BODMAS, second letter is O. O stands for of order or powers. Okay guys, so you can solve this one. Okay, 2 to power of 3 equal to 8 guys. Okay, so we can write it as a this, and now this closed, divide minus 3, then this square bracket close, multiply by 5. So again we solve this one, round 1. So we can write this as 3 here. Okay, which one you solve first? Okay, so here is addition first, then 16 minus 25, then this one is a division, then minus 3, this multiply by 5. Okay, now even the round bracket is not solved yet, so we solve it. 3, then this is minus 9, then this one is this divided by, and then minus 3 square bracket close, then multiply by 5. Now again we will solve this one. Okay, because see here are also a round bracket, but before this one a division sign is given, or this one is a single digit, so you can make it as a single digit, so you can write it as a minus 27. Okay, then this, then minus sign, then this or this. Okay guys, so you can also write this as a left square bracket minus 27 division with minus sign and this one. Okay, now see this becomes a minus 27 by minus 3. So you already read, when this thing is given, then answer is plus 9. How? This negative sign cut down, 3 1 ja 3 or 3 9 ja 27, so 9 will come here, so you can write it as a 9. Okay, then multiply by 5, remove this square bracket, then you can write it as this. So finally answer is 45. So guys, this is all about the acronym BODMAS, okay, which is being used in math for solving the mathematical problem or mathematical expression. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like this video and our channel Foundation JEE, and also share to your friends and family who also get benefit from this Foundation JEE channel. Thank you very much once again.